Hello, this is Soso Kitchen, Edie. Thank you very much for everyone. People subscribe, non-subscriber, please try to subscribe. Thumb up and Soso Kitchen. We are family, we're going to be created. That's why it's very hot in Boston. We live in Boston. People ask me, Soso, where do you live? I want to know where. I live in Boston, okay? Massachusetts. Anytime you come to Boston, call Soso Kitchen, pass by to see me, guys. We are family. I'm going to be very, very, very happy to see you. Love you. Today we're going to make chicken. Poul Ak Nwa. Chicken avec noir. I'm from the south in Port-au-Prince. That's from north in Haiti. People from north and Poul Ak do this one. Ça y c'est noir, mais ça non really noir. Ça really sure. Okay? That's a nice one. That's a beautiful one. That's very hard. You pas cuit facile. That's very hard. Before you do it, you're supposed to make it tremper at least 4 hours, 2 hours, 3 hours in advance. So, before my cooking, I put it in the water. And then I'm going to boil this one for 45 minutes, 1 hour. Before I put it in the chicken. Okay? You wash it and then leave it overnight or for 3 hours. That's going to be much, much better. Okay. Kouye lang ba cook chicken na. Ça c'est chicken na. Si vous besoin de tout bagay, premier vidéo chicken na, gardez. So kouye lang mon du fait ya. Sur 5 bal quitter le bouillir pour 15 minutes, 20 minutes.
So now we're just going to put the stove on medium heat and let the chicken.
So, on va faire chicken avec noix. Noix, c'est de mettre le trempé, me laver, mettre le trempé, pour là, je vais mettre le bouillir. Je vais mettre le bouillir pour 15-20 minutes. Ok? Je vais jeter de l'eau ça, et puis je vais prendre l'autre de l'eau pour mettre le bouillir.
So for the cashew, she's going to empty out the water that she had and replace it with new water and let that cook. It actually took a little bit over an hour to cook. I want to say it took about an hour and 20 minutes for it to like cook and become a good texture.
I'm make it plus d'eau là. At least 3 tasses d'eau.
And now she's just adding more water. You just want to make sure you have enough water so
Quitte le bouillir pour 20 minutes. Parce que son bagage qui dit. À tout à l'heure. Ok? Ça m'a mettre de l'eau. Mais chicken. So, je vais aller jamais pour goûter pour moi c'est bien sel avec piment. Janet, take this one for me, please.
So this is the chicken. We didn't add any water. This is like the seasoning that we did in the last video. And the chicken also produces its own like water. So this is what it looks like after 20 minutes. And now I'm just tasting it to make sure everything's okay. And it was. The chicken tasted so good. So now she is just taking the chicken and preparing it so she can fry it. You can fry it on the stove if you would like, but we have a fryer, so we're just going to use that to fry it.
Give me one. That's it. Okay, couler l'huile là
We're waiting for the fire to get hot enough. You can tell that's hot by the green light, and then from there, that's when we put in the chicken. And we're cooking this at 375 degrees.
Ok? My chicken. Ici. So, pour y aller, je vais préparer la sauce là. Avec, je vais garder noir là pour moi c'est cuit. Pendant ce temps, je vais couper les oignons avec piment douce pour mettre ton sauce là.
So now that the chicken's ready, she's gonna make a sauce for it, and she's gonna check on the cashews.
Et... sauce là. Pour y aller, je vais mettre tomato paste. Mettez-moi cuillère.
So this is the same sauce that from the chicken. She just added some peppers to it, and then she's also adding tomato paste to it. You can, she's adding tomato sauce, but you can also add tomato paste.
Fais-nous toujours goûter manger. Hein?
Make sure you taste it so it's to your liking and you actually like it.
Bon.
So this step you can see if it needs more, if it needs less, but make sure you
Ça c'est l'huile là. Mettez-moi cuillère d'huile.
And now she just added some oil to the pot as well.
Tu as besoin de rien. Get tout bagay. C'est noir. Mais noir. Regardez-vous. Bien cuite. Bien cuite. Vous pesez le pour essayer le cuite. Bien cuite.
How long did that take? Like an hour?
More than an hour.
So with the cashews, you want to kind of smush it in your hands to see if it breaks easily. If it doesn't break easily, that means you're not done cooking it. And if it does, that means it's ready to be added to the chicken.
Mettez noir dans la sauce là.
You want to remove the excess water from the cashew, and then once you do that, you can just add it to your sauce.
Quittez le fond petit bouilli. Moi le bouilli jamais.
So we just left the cashew to boil in the sauce for about 10 more minutes, and then now we're just gonna add it together.
Ouais, chicken n'a pas crasé. On prend ça stable, bien sûr. Moi-même, je me dis,
She's debating if she should add onion. She didn't, but if you want to add onion, you definitely can. It's your preference, it's your food, so make sure you like it and you do what makes you happy.
Ça c'est pour le noir là. Noir là bien cuite, bien préparé, chicken n'a pas crasé, coulier là, ou pour le sortir, ou capable préparer un plateau comme ça. C'est poule avec noir. Il sentit bon, il taste good, il bien préparé, noir bien cuit. Mais fais-nous quitter noir cuit, bien cuit. Ok? Soso Kitchen. Bisous. À la prochaine. Bye bye.